So today we're going to make antique style jewellery. It's a lot of fun, it's relatively easy to make, and we're going to be making a necklace like this one with flowers and crystals. You can do it in any type of colour that you want. There are other options such as this one, which is with more flowers in a bright turquoise, and this is a design which is suitable for girls, for kids. It's more fun, slightly lighter. So the craze for this jewellery was started by an Israeli designer called Michal Negrin, who has branches all over the world now, and it really is a fashion that's lasted a very long time. She uses this type of antique copper and Swarovski crystals to create a very, very colourful array of elegant jewellery that women have chosen to wear for daytime, evening time, whenever they want. But it really does create a very unique style that a lot of people are really, really keen on. That's what we're going to do right now.